Designed for demanding rides and all conditions, our SEC-150 delivers a powerful light output of 150 lux, ensuring outstanding visibility with ultra-high output LEDs. The advanced MTI optical technology provides a precise cutoff line and reliable beam structure, and uniform coverage across any terrain. With up to 150 lux brightness, you benefit from reliable performance with every ride. Mounting flexibility is exceptional, offering different options: fork, stem front, handlebar, plus full GoPro compatibility for seamless integration. The robust IP56 rating defends against strong water and dust ingress. Completing the package are a durable aluminum and plastic housing, K-Mark and ISO 6742 compliance, and suitability for 25 km/h e-bikes and EPAC. 10 is available in 3 configurations and mounting packages. On the left you can see our S package with the handlebar mount accessories. The D version in the middle is our fork mount package. And on the right-hand side is the U version with our standard light package for the stem front. The mounting videos for each kind is on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.